Welcome Fredrik Thapper from Svenska Retursystem to this conversation, Supply Chain 600 Seconds. Now we're going to talk about sustainability, which really is at the core of what you do. But can you kind of explain or elaborate about how you can further improve your sustainability and what you work with this?
Exactly. I mean, as you mentioned, it's been at the heart from the beginning. That was the purpose of the company, even from the beginning, to reduce the carbon footprint in the food industry. So, I mean, everything we do is for a sustainable growth and sustainable system there. So, I mean, we are now implementing a new transport setup with a clear roadmap together with our transport partners towards a fossil-free transport in the coming years. And we also work a lot in our production facilities of how can we extend the life of our machines and our facilities, and working a lot with continuous improvements and working with maintenance and trying to find new ways of doing smaller improvements to keep our OE up and also extend the life with say 5 years and so on, which have a really large impact if we manage to do that. And a third example is working to minimize the waste and reuse as much as possible. For example, we are repairing our crates and pallets to extend their lives. And when a pallet reached end of life today, we recycle and reuse the material to build new pallets and so on. So we really want to be sustainable in all aspects of our businesses.
And all the material, I think, is reused in some way.
Yeah, exactly. From the crates in other plastic. Exactly. In the crates or in other plastic products and so on.
And also by getting even more product categories into your system, you should also kind of drive sustainability, even if that's a bit outside the supply chain scope. But
yeah, definitely.
Big thing or ambition as well.
Yeah, exactly. We are growing, and now we are growing within the restaurants and the smaller stores around in that industry as well to even extend the system and reduce the carbon footprint in another way and give alternatives to more wholesalers and restaurants and so on to use the crates and the pallets.
So I know that Svenska Retursystem is a fast-moving business. You grow every year quite substantially over the years, and you have high ambitions. What would you say is the ambition for the future when it comes to sustainability?
Yeah, I mean, our circular business model, as I mentioned, is really sustainable at heart. So everything we will do it with a sustainable perspective there. And one example is that we are now will identify each unique crate. So in that sense, we get a better understanding on how the crates are flowing around in the food industry, and then of course using that information to try to optimize our asset of crates and so on, and then of course have a few crates as possible, but also deliver the customer service and so on, so that the food industry have all the crates they need, but no extra, since of course all production causes carbon footprint.
Yeah, so it's both about optimizing the flows, but also the volume of the crates, of course. Then.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much, Fredrik Thapper.
Thank you.